Do you know it is wrong to say that your sister is beautiful? Do you know it is on English to say, I came to your office last week Wednesday? I am sure you wish to know what's wrong with these sentences. Stay with me in this lesson till the very end. I am Tutu Adewale. I care so much about you and I want you to better your conversation. In this lesson, we will be learning together common errors in the use of determiners in English sentences. But first, what are determiners? Determiners are such words that usually precede nouns or adjectives in English to show the persons or things being referred to. They include the articles, which are the definite article, D, and the indefinite one, A or an. The demonstrative pronouns such as that, this, and those. And the genitives, mine, our, their, are, is, and your. The first sentence we will be correcting together is this: that your sister is very beautiful. What is wrong with this expression? That and your are determiners. And in English, determiners do not co-occur. In other words, they are not used as premodifiers in the same environment. They cannot come side by side in the same sentence. Therefore, whenever you choose from any of the articles, demonstratives, or genitives, which we have previously talked about, your choice disqualifies the choice and the inclusion of any other for the modification of a particular noun in the same sentence. The correct version of the sentence above should be, that sister of yours is beautiful. Or you rather say, your sister is very beautiful. Now it's your turn. What should be the correct version of this question? Is that my book with you? Give me the answer in the comment section. Here is the next sentence. Their father gave them another money. Their father gave them another money. What is wrong with this sentence? The use of another before money and the sentence. This is because money is an uncountable noun, and the word another can only be used with singular countable nouns. Hence, if you want to say the correct one, it should be their father gave them more money, not another money, more money. The next sentence is, Mr. Benson is a staff of this establishment. Mr. Benson is a staff of this establishment. What makes this sentence incorrect? The word staff is not used with the indefinite article A, particularly when its intended meaning is a member of staff. This is what I mean. The word staff refers to all the workers employed in an establishment. Therefore, using the expression our staff to refer to one person makes the sentence wrong, since one person cannot be referred to as staff. So the expression in good English should be, Mr. Benson is a member of staff of this establishment. Now, your own turn. Correct this. He is not our staff. What do you think it should be? Give your answer at the comment section. Do not say, I came to your office last week Wednesday. Why? The use of week in this sentence has no effect, as it appears to be a tautology. So the correct version should be, I came to your office last Wednesday. Similarly, you should not say next week Wednesday. Rather, you should say next Wednesday. You should always say next Monday, next Tuesday, and so on, or last Monday, last Tuesday, as the case may be. But wait a moment. Ensure that your pronunciation of Wednesday is correct, not Wednesday, it's Wednesday. It is wrong to say, I had much problems in the previous project. The use of much before problems makes this sentence wrong. The reason is that much goes with uncountable nouns, while many colligates with countable nouns. Since the word problems is a countable noun, we should use many instead of much. So the correct English expression therefore should be, I had many problems in the previous project. Not much, but many problems in the previous project. I am sure you have learned one or two things from today's class. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do that now so that you don't miss out on my next video. Until the next video, keep speaking the correct English.